let's continue with the PV curve. This is the screen of the PV curve. Whenever you use PV curve, you must need to follow some steps. Every time you need to restart your controller and press start key for the updation of the PV curve. So I restart my controller and I press start button of my controller, and now I press this update PV curve button. So it will take some time and it will plot IV curve and PV curve over here. For the plot of IV curve and PV curve, the get pulses for the boost converter will starts from the 100% duty cycle and with the 0% duty cycle, and it will plot IV curve. This blue line curve is our IV curve and green line plot is our PV curve. So here is the another area given for the record of data. Here is the auto save update, save button and load button. So if you have plotted more than one plots, so you can load that data as per your selection. So let's we save this portion. And we will move from the MPPT to PV curve. So now you can see here our graph is saved. So the time is showing 10:40 and right now time is 10:42. So let's again we plot another PV curve. So I restart my controller, press start key, and again I press update PV curve tab. So now our graph is changed now. So let's see again save with this button. You can see here the time is changed 10:40 to 10:42. So now we have two plots. So right now this graph is showing 10:42 graph, and now we select and load on this. So now you can change the graph is changed. So for the MPPT, this data shows this curve data. For this curve power, the maximum our output is 6 watt, and the again we load another. So for this curve our maximum output is 5.5 watt.